Hello, happy fall. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Tonight we're working on a 12 by 36 canvas. And we're going to do some nice, soft Dutch pour design using a black base and white only. So let's get this pour started. Give me a second and I'll get the base covered. So the base is all covered. I used just regular Artist Loft Flow Black. For my white, I'm using, this is Amsterdam's titanium white mixed to 1:1 and water to get it to the correct consistency that I need for this particular pour. The idea is to make an elongated Dutch. I'm not doing any branches. I just want it nice and long and delicate looking. So I am going to start at this end and go this way. And stop right there. The next one is going to go start here and go up like this. And this one we want to branch off of here, but go along the edge like that. Okay. All right, here we go. Fingers crossed. Okay. So we ran into a little bit of a oopsie, meaning my battery died on my recording device. But no worries, you didn't miss anything because as you can see, I scraped. So we're going to recover this area and start again. All right, let's get some of those air bubbles I see. All right, we're gonna go back in with the titanium white. And I don't know what that is. Okay, you know what? We're gonna leave it because it's gonna get blown off anyway. So I want this area here a little bit more defined. So since it's dense here, we're going to start. Okay. All right, take two. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Voila! So much better. So much so that it's not matching. OMG. It's not matching here. Okay, let me think. Think. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We are going to scrape this side here. Because I don't like this here anyway. It's not flowing. It looks like a hot mess. Okay. Lord have mercy. God, that is so pretty. I wonder why I didn't get a lot of lacing ahead of time before. That's okay. I like the lacing. So we're going to Be gone. Be gone. Be gone. Okay, now that I've gotten this side recovered, I am going to take my titanium white, and we're going to start from here, and we're going to come up this way. So since it's dense in this little area, I'm going to start right there. So it's not that much of a transition. Let's torch it. I think I'm going to call this Seaweed. I like the way it is narrow here, comes up, and I believe it looks like a stalk of seaweed flowing in the ocean. Okay. Once again, thank you for sticking in there with me. Happy to be back. I know it's been a few weeks since I posted. Thank you, as always, for your support. Stay safe out there. Be blessed. See you next pour. Bye. So let's go in for a close-up. As you can see, I got a little bit more lacing on the last section. that I did. So within a few moments of me dismounting the camera, you can see that lacing up here on the top section here, which is the last section that I did. So please excuse my ring light. Oh, that's a horrible shot. Let's go from this end. So yeah, that is the finished product.